Hello again, video time again, and today I'd like to show you this lovely little Mini One convertible, finished in the pepper white, 1.6 petrol engine. Very nice, tidy looking car. Nice alloys, there's a little stone chip there. Couple of little chips there and there. Tiny little dent there. It's one lady owner car. Nice and clean inside. It's got the book packs with it. And the service book. And all the folder full of invoices with the full service history all with it there. The wind deflector in the back. I'll show you that in a minute how that works. So all nice and clean inside. Just take a look in the back. Obviously not loads of room in the back being a convertible. Got this useful net that clips in place for your luggage, and then under there you've got the blow up kit, locking wheel nut tool, jack, towing eye, everything all there. No leaks, all nice and dry in there as well. It's got a couple of tiny little dents along there. And a few stone chips on the bonnet, tiny little chips on the bonnet there. Nothing too serious. All in all, bright looking little car. Just been MOT'd. Controls there for electric door mirrors, adjustable seat height, 2 keys, push button start. $94,000 miles, like I say, it's full history with that. DAB radio. It's also got the different connectivity you can connect there. And the Bluetooth you can connect there. CD slot, air conditioning, electric windows, and the controls for the roof windows, which I'll show you in a minute. 6-speed manual gearbox, and you can turn the traction control off there. Conventional handbrake, glove box, and you've got the secret storage cabinet under there as well. So let's just take a look at the roof action. So there's 2 options here. First, you just go back part of the way, and that just gives you a useful sunroof. And of course, if the weather's a bit better, looking you all the way back. If the sun's shining, drop the top, and then drop all the windows from that button there. So it makes it into a full convertible. Let's just take a look outside now. So give you an idea what that looks like with the roof down. So there you go. Just ready for the summer. The wind deflector pops up into position like that, so you're not getting the draft on the back of your neck when you're on the motorway. This all folds away, quite small, so you can pack it away in the boot if you need to use the rear seats. That quite easily packs away, and these seats actually come undone as well. If you press this button here, seats will fall forward. So if you need to get, you can put the locking, you can lock them as well. But if you need to get any extra load in the back there, although you wouldn't get a great deal of stuff in it, to be honest with you, because obviously not the most practical car, more based on the fun aspect. But you could just seat 4 people if you need it to. Yeah, great fun to drive. So yeah, if you're looking for something versatile for the summer that you can enjoy, cheap to run, should be low on insurance, good on fuel, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.